Let's talk about something really simple but surprisingly hard for a lot of people. Giving compliments, showing support, and celebrating others without throwing shade at someone else in the process. You can say someone is doing great without turning it into a backhanded dig at someone who isn't. You can hype up your friend's new project, their promotion, their glow up, whatever it is, without making it a weird comparison to someone else who's not doing as well. That's not praise, that's passive aggression in a party heart. Seriously, being kind, supportive, and genuinely happy for others doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't diminish your worth. It doesn't shrink your accomplishments. In fact, it makes you look more secure, more mature, more human. Yet, some folks act like saying something nice about someone else is going to take a piece of their soul, like it physically hurts them to give props unless there's a punchline attached. Like, bro, you're not gonna die if you say, hey, you're doing great. You're not gonna dissolve into dust if you say, wow, I admire that. You're not allergic to decency. What are you doing though? When you only compliment through comparison, it's telling everyone around you that your support comes with conditions. That it's only real if it's convenient. And honestly, that's not a flex. That's just insecurity in disguise. And this happens way too often, especially with Nigerian men who constantly try to uplift one woman by putting another one down. It's always this one is wife material, not like those other ones that dress like this or post that. Like, what's the actual point? This is not just centered around men versus women. There are also women who are unkind to men with their words, and that's totally wrong. This is just a perspective. You don't need to slut shame one woman to validate another. You don't have to paint someone else as less respectable just to make your favorite look better. That's not praise, that's a projection. And it says more about you than it does about either woman involved. What's even wilder is that sometimes the woman they are praising has done something amazing, something worth celebrating. Maybe she got a big opportunity, launched a business, graduated, made power moves. But instead of just celebrating her, they can't help but throw in that unnecessary line. Unlike these Instagram girls, or not like all these so-called slave queens. Like why? Why is your compliment carrying extra baggage? Let's be real. Giving love, recognition, support, that's free. It doesn't take away from you. It doesn't mean you're weak. If anything, it shows you're secure. It shows you know how to shine without dimming someone else's light. Yet some people act like saying something nice about others will knock them off their throne. They act like basic human decency is going to kill them. Bro, you're not going to die if you say, she did great. You won't melt if you just admit, I respect her hustle. You're not allergic to balance. And let's stop being goats. Not the greatest of all time kind. I mean the actual animal. The one that's always headbutting things just because. That one-up mindset is tired. You don't need to compete just to give a compliment. You don't need to shade one person just to show love to another. Normalize saying, she's amazing, full stop. No side eyes, no subtext, no buts. Just real, unfiltered support. Because we can all celebrate each other freely without comparison, without envy, without judgment. That's when we truly grow. Again, I would say thank you very much for watching my video until the end. And this is just me trying to say I'm sorry for the long wait. Yeah, I know that it's been a while since I posted a video on here, but trust me, I'm back, and this time it's going to be back-to-back content. Bye.